In this video, I'll show you how to change settings in Claude AI step by step. The process is quick and beginner-friendly, so let's get right into it. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already signed in to my Claude account and on the main dashboard. From here, I'll move to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on my profile icon, name, or initials to open the account menu. Once that menu appears, I'll click Settings. This will open the Settings panel where I can manage different parts of my Claude account. Inside the Settings window, I can scroll through the available sections and choose the setting I want to change. For example, if I want to update how Claude looks on screen, I'll go to the Appearance section. Here, I can choose between options like Light, Auto, or Dark depending on how I want the interface to display. If I want to change another preference, I'll simply keep scrolling through the Settings panel and click on the option I want to adjust. Claude will usually apply the change right away as soon as I select it. So in general, the process is very simple. Open the Profile menu. Click Settings, find the section you want, and then choose your preferred option. Once I've finished making my changes, I can close the Settings panel and continue using Claude with the new preferences applied. And that's it. I've successfully changed my settings in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.